confession to make. I used to buy penny stocks like AMC all the time. I didn't have any rhyme or reason. It cost me $30,000. I bought this stock called gtii, and I held it overnight, and one day I just woke up and it was delisted. I called my broker. I was so upset. I was like, man, what happened to this stock? Like, dude, this stock went down like 75%, and he told me, yeah, you better hope that everyone who bought the stock files a lawsuit, and by the way, that's going to take years. So I'm down the money. I made a bad decision. I bought a bad stock. And AMC, for a lot of people, is GTII. It's a bad stock. It's meme pudding, as I call it. As meme pudding, okay, is a stock, a meme stock that goes bad. It goes up based on no real reason. It goes up because of hype, basically. People pump the stock. YouTubers pump the stock. Somebody probably told you to buy AMC. Somebody probably told you to buy AMC at $8 or more. The stock is at $5. It's March 2nd, 2023. The stock is at $5 and some cents. It's not safe. It's not safe. Everyone who bought AMC lost money. And if they want to get that money back, if you want to get your money back, then it's time to start thinking differently. It's time to start thinking like a professional trader. And that's what I'm going to teach you. This is what this channel is for. It's to teach you to be a professional trader. It's to teach you how to get your money back. That's what me and all of my students know how to do. We know how to make money in the stock market. We may not know how to do certain other things. I can't even make a pizza. I don't even know the first step in making a pizza. I don't know how to buy the dough. I don't know what kind of sauce to use. I'm sure I can figure it out if I really wanted to. But one thing I do know is stock trading. I've been trading for 10 years, and my strategy is so consistently successful that we've been able to identify runners that would make your mind spin. And if you watch this channel, you already know that. And that's why we're going to take a look right now. I'm going to get my computer and we're going to take a look right now at AMC and what we need to do. Okay, we have the AMC chart in front of us, and real quick, let's take a look at some of the trades that we've done recently. CDIO, we bought it at $3, and then that stock actually went up 150%. So it did go to over $6. And then we had another stock, RETA. We bought that one around $30. That one went to $93. So that one is actually up 300%. So that was really cool. We have a lot of huge runners. Those are all in the Discord. I'll leave a link in the description for the Discord if you haven't joined it already. Most recently, our trades were ONCS and NRDY, both of which were winning trades. And now let's take a look at AMC. So AMC is here. Guys, if you're not part of the free Discord, make sure to join. It's free and you can make so much money just by being part of it. So here at 591, this is the AMC chart. The stock market is still open, actually. The stock market is still open. You can see AMC chart is kind of sinking near this $6 level. It's consolidating. There's a lot of support on AMC near $6. Okay, something to keep in mind. There's a lot of support near $6 for AMC, and if AMC rallies, there's going to be an exit point at 639. Okay, I'm going to lower that a little bit. It's going to be an exit point at around 633. So if you're holding AMC and you're looking to get a little bit more than where it's at right now, you can actually sell it at 633. If you're not holding AMC, then it's possible, okay? I'm not saying this is a good trade, but since we're talking AMC, I am going to bring up and bring this into account that AMC at $6, if it stays at $6 for at least one more day, then the stock can rally to 633, which is a pretty good trade. It's only 5%, really. When you think about it, that's only a 5% gain, but a 5% gain is better than a 0% gain, isn't it? Now, I do have a lot of stocks that I'm trading, which are really, really strong. Some of those stocks include BBAI, DM, and some other ones, which I won't tell you because I'm putting them in the Discord. And if you guys aren't already making money in the stock market, also consider having a pro membership. With a pro membership, you will be able to trade side by side with me, your coach. and I will help you take my trades live in the stock market. So here we have AMC at the $6 level. We already know our first exit point is 633, but what if it goes up higher? Well, $6.58 is another level where you can sell it at. $7.21 is another level, and then $7.94 is another level. Okay, I'm not expecting it to rally to those levels. In fact, you guys heard me talk about AMC as meme pudding, right? AMC is not a great stock. AMC is not the kind of stock that we want to be trading, but there's a reason why it fell, and that's because of earnings. And that's why I actually closed my position before earnings, because the earnings have caused the stock to go from $8 all the way back down to $5.90. Of course, anybody who bought AMC at $35 or even $24 is still down considerable money, even when the stock went all the way up to $8. If you bought AMC at $24, then how much money have you lost? About 66%, meaning that whatever you invested, you lost more than half of what you invested. And that's why you have to be careful with what kind of stocks that you trade, and why you should instead look for either a professional trader like myself or just watch the YouTube. Okay, you can either get a pro membership, which is the smartest thing to do because it pays for itself if you follow instructions. Okay, and it's not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. All right, I'm required to say that, of course. But traders, all the traders in the Discord right here, they are making money. Every single one who is following instructions is making money. They know which stocks that I'm trading, and they've made so much money that we actually have over 30 members in our pro community right now. And that's so amazing that this channel is only about a year old, but people are making so much money that we have over 30 members already in the pro Discord. So that is really your easy ticket to getting your money back if you've lost a lot of money in the stock market. And there's no guarantees in the stock market, but what I will guarantee you is that I'll support you every step of the way, and that's why there's so many members. It's month to month, right? You can leave at any time, but you won't want to leave. There's far too much value that you're able to get by trading with me, by trading with your coach, who's been right about AMC, who's been right about Bed Bath & Beyond, who's been right about MMAT, and every other meme stock that you can possibly think of. I've helped people make money on them, and I've stopped people from losing money on them. I am the guy who's going to get you your money back if that's what you want to do. AMC stock right here at $5.90. If this rallies again, it can go to $6.33. I'm not expecting it to go more than that, but it can also go to $6.57 and $6.95 depending on the strength of the rally. Don't expect it to go more than that. Instead, expect this stock to perform very poorly. But now you know. Now you know not to buy bad stocks. Take the lesson just like I did on gtii. Take it with you. Use it to your advantage so that you can understand, so that you can actually make consistent money, so you can find better stocks, so that you can start being a profitable trader. You can do this. I'm with you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?